In Chapter 8 of Success Through a Positive Mental Attitude, by Napoleon Hill and W. Clement Stone, the authors explore the practical steps for turning your dreams into reality. This chapter provides insights, real-life examples, and actionable steps to help individuals manifest their deepest aspirations. Principle 1. The Role of Dreams. Hill and Stone emphasize that dreams are the starting point of all great achievements. They explain that your dreams are the blueprint for your future and serve as a guide for your actions. Example: consider Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream of racial equality and justice. His dream inspired millions and led to significant social change in the United States. Action Step 1. Clarify your dreams. Take time to clarify your dreams and aspirations. What do you truly want to achieve or experience in your life? Write down your dreams in detail to make them tangible. Principle 2. Creating a definite plan. The authors stress the importance of creating a definite plan to achieve your dreams. They explain that a plan is like a roadmap that guides you toward your desired destination. Example: think about a world-renowned chef who dreams of opening their own restaurant. To make this dream a reality, they create a business plan that outlines everything from the menu to the marketing strategy. Action Step 2. Develop a detailed plan. Translate your dreams into a detailed plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This plan will serve as a practical guide for pursuing your dreams. Principle 3. Faith and Persistence. Hill and Stone introduce the concepts of faith and persistence as essential elements in making dreams come true. They explain that belief in your dreams and unwavering persistence are key to overcoming obstacles. Example: consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who faced rejection from multiple publishers before her dream of publishing. The Harry Potter series came true. Her belief in her work and her persistence led to immense success. Action Step 3. Cultivate faith and persistence. Strengthen your belief in your dreams. Use positive affirmations and visualization techniques to reinforce your faith. Additionally, commit to persistently working toward your goals, even when faced with challenges. Principle 4. Enthusiasm and Passion. The authors highlight the role of enthusiasm and passion in making dreams a reality. They explain that genuine enthusiasm for your dreams can attract opportunities and support. Example: think about entrepreneurs who are deeply passionate about their business ideas. Their enthusiasm often attracts investors, customers, and collaborators who share their passion. Action Step 4. Cultivate enthusiasm. Cultivate enthusiasm for your dreams by regularly reminding yourself of why they matter to you. Share your dreams with others who can provide encouragement and support. Principle 5. Visualize your dreams. Hill and Stone stress the power of visualization in making dreams come true. They explain that regularly visualizing your dreams as already achieved can align your actions with your aspirations. Example: visualize yourself living your dream life, experiencing all the emotions and details associated with your goals. This practice can increase your motivation and determination. Action Step 5. Create a visualization routine. Incorporate daily visualization sessions into your routine. Spend a few minutes vividly imagining your dreams coming true. This mental rehearsal can reinforce your commitment to achieving your aspirations. Conclusion: transforming dreams into reality. Chapter 8 underscores the practical steps required to transform dreams into reality. By understanding the pivotal role of dreams, creating a definite plan, cultivating faith and persistence, embracing enthusiasm and passion, and visualizing your dreams regularly, you can set yourself on the path to making your aspirations come true. Your dreams are the driving force behind your actions, and they are within your reach. As Hill and Stone suggest, by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your dreams and taking consistent steps toward them, you can turn your most cherished aspirations into tangible achievements.